Hello everyone. I just want to show you quickly a little trick that I know in order to get a something that you create in Google Drawing and get a better resolution, something you can actually use within PowerPoints and videos, as opposed to when you download your image from Google Drawings. So let me go ahead and download something real quick. And I'll show you kind of what I mean. So here I have something that's going to be kind of a title slide for this thing that I'm creating. So if I come here and I download this, when I check it out, it's going to end up really small. And then as I try to use it, you notice you can see all the little pixelation, things like that doesn't work out very well. Okay, I'm sure those of us that are more tech savvy know easier, better ways to do this. But honestly, what I do is I just go to the snipping tool, or I think it's Snip and Sketch now within Windows. And then Mac people, you have your own screen capture software. But if I grab this right there, good. So it's here. I can copy it. I can go into whatever I'm trying to create in order to get this to work. So I already pasted this, but I can do it again. Let me see. Blank. I paste that in, and then notice like I do not see the amount of just kind of degradation that happens when I download from Google Drawings. Okay, just because um, I think Google Drawings doesn't want to have different images that take up too much information. So when you download it, that's why it goes into a lower resolution that just looks pretty awful. All right, but here you can see that this is much better than that thing that I had before. And so that's the easiest way. Just create something in Google Drawings, then use screen capture software on Windows. It's Snip and what was that again? Snip and Sketch. Yeah, and then you can put it into different sites or use it within Adobe Premiere because you can do the save as things like that. All right. Hopefully this helps.